Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So in my previous class we had learned about an adjective and today we have to complete the bookwork of chapter number 19, adjectives. So today we are going to start underline the adjectives and then we have to do match the adjectives with suitable nouns, then filling the blanks with suitable adjectives from the box, then filling the blanks with suitable adjectives from the brackets, and then we have to solve the crossword with the help of the opposites of the given adjectives. So now I am going to start. Get ready with your book and with your pencil. The first is underline the adjectives in the following sentences. So an adjective tells about the quality, the quantity, number or order of a noun that it describes. Like first is America is a rich country. So America is country but America is a rich country. So the quality is rich. So rich is an adjective. Now you have to underline that word. Second is a camel has a long neck. A camel has a long neck. So neck is a common thing, but a camel has a long neck. We don't have long neck. Now next is Mr. Gupta bought a new car. Mr. Gupta bought a car but it is new. So Mr. Gupta bought a new car. New is an adjective. Akbar was a great king. Akbar was a king but he was very great. He was a great person. So Akbar was a great king. Here is great is an adjective. Next is the mango is ripe. The mango is ripe. Mango is a fruit, common fruit. So the mango is, but the quality is ripe. Singapore is a beautiful country. So the quality is beautiful. An adjective. Now next is the school has a large playground. The school has a playground and every school has a playground. But the school has a large playground. So large is an adjective. Do you think the book is useful? Do you think the book is useful? So useful is an adjective. Ankit is a dear friend of mine. Ankit is a dear friend of mine. Ankit is my friend but he is dear one. So Ankit is a dear. Dear is an adjective. Lazy students usually fail. So lazy students usually fail. Here is lazy. But lazy is not a quality. Lazy students usually fail. It is a quality. No, I don't want to be lazy. You look tired. So here is tired is an adjective. He was sad at the news. He was sad at the news. Here is sad is an adjective. Okay. Now next is, now match the adjectives with the suitable noun. Now here are adjectives, here are some adjectives and here are some nouns. Dangerous. So dangerous, what is dangerous? Dangerous. Boys, bread, questions, grass, months, mountain, color, bottle, forest, street, photographer, hair, hotel, animal, eyes or ceremony. Now dangerous, animal. Okay. Bright, bright. The second is bright colors. forest, religious ceremony, embarrassing question, blue eyes, amateur photographer, luxury hotel, sliced bread. Now high, what is high? Months, mountains, yes, high mountain. Empty bottle, busy street, naughty boys, green grass, 12 months, curly hair. That's it. Now next, filling the blanks with suitable adjectives from the box. So here is 11, 1, 4, large, red, 7, black and cotton. First one is, watermelon is green but dash from inside, but red from inside. There are many stars but only, how many moons are there in the sky? One moon in the sky. There are dash players in a cricket team. 11. Do you know? A square has dash sides. 4. An elephant is a dash animal. Black animal or large animal? Large. The tiger has dash strips on its body. Black strips. During summer, we wear cotton cloths. There are dash days in a week, 7 days. Now next is filling the blanks with suitable adjectives from the brackets. The leaves are dash salty or green. So the leaves are salty? No, the answer is green. The grass is green or the grass is red? Green. We wear woolen clothes when it is cold or hot? Cold. I love honey and it has a dash taste. Sweet or bitter? Sweet. It is raining, everything will become wet or dry? Wet. Flowers are beautiful or ugly? Beautiful. They have beautiful colors. She helps others. She is a kind or cruel person? Kind. Cruel person never help others. The cow has a dash tail, short or long? Long tail. Solve the crossword with the help of the opposites of the given adjectives. First is tall. So the answer is short. Second is hot, cold. Number 3 is young, old. Thin, fat, empty, full, heavy, light, and beautiful, ugly, dry, wet. Now it's done. Now complete this work if you didn't do, okay? And now I will be sending the assignment of these pages and you have to complete it at your home. So take care, goodbye. Now chapter number 20 will going to start. So now what you have to do, you have to wait. So take care and goodbye. जल्दी मिलते हैं अपने नए चैप्टर।